Ever had that moment when you're focused, then suddenly, achoo, relax. It's not just a reflex. That's your body doing a forced purge on your respiratory system. Dust, pollen, rogue virus, ejected instantly like corrupted files. And that achoo sound. It's an audio confirmation. Purge successful. And the closed eyes while sneezing. That's protection mode. Open your eyes and boom, system error imminent. The punchline, sneezing isn't just a reflex, it's a full system purge. Don't forget to subscribe before your next sneeze deletes the thought.